Welcome back to App IQ, and today I'm going to show you how to use Canva's alignment tools. To access the smart guides, select the text on your page and you can drag anywhere and you'll see the pink line that appears. This is called your alignment line and it helps you to snap images in place. To access the position tool, head up to the top toolbar and select position, and from here you can choose the alignment. So here you can align items to the top, left, middle, center, bottom, or right. To distribute these text evenly, remember that the word transparency is below the photo here. So what you can easily do is go to layers and select both text. So you're going to hold on shift. The word alignment is already selected, so hold on shift and select transparency. In some cases, what's between these two will be selected, so just select command and tap on your mouse pad to deselect it. Now the two text alone are selected, so now you can move them anywhere on your page and align them however you want to. To access the grid view, all you have to do is head up to File, go to Settings and select Show Rulers and Guides, or on your keyboard select Ctrl R, and here you can see the rulers and guides at the top, and it is also here on the sides. So all you have to do is drag out a ruler from the top and from the side, and you can use these for precise alignment. And lastly, to lock items in place, select the text and select the lock icon that you see above the word, and this will lock the text in its position. Now this will prevent any accidental movement in your design. And that is it, guys. Very easy and very simple.